or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So yes, the festive season is just knocking at your door and I thought that this will be probably the best time to introduce my first ever Myntra haul. Now I haven't shopped a lot from Myntra this time, but I am planning on, so let's keep our fingers crossed for it. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. If you haven't participated in my giveaway yet, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go and check out my giveaway video. So the first kurti which I am going to talk about is the one, it is absolutely a favorite of mine. It is one of my favorite color. So this one is the yellow one. I think that probably if you guys haven't checked out my Diwali makeup look yet, you guys will see me wearing this one, and the color is absolutely stunning. It's just so vibrant, it gives you that festive look. I mean, yellow is such an amazing color कि आप कोई भी festive occasion में अगर yellow पहन लिए तो आधा काम तो आप लोग का हो ही गया. So this came in a packaging like this, and all of them came in this separate kind of Myntra packages. So I'll just quickly show it to you guys. So this one is from the brand called Libas. So this one is from the brand called Libas, and this one is in the size S. So the MRP which is written over here is for rupees 14.99, that is for 1500, but I'll mention it on the screen as to the amount which I paid for this one. So this is a beautiful straight cut kurti. Now you can pair this up with a white leggings or a pink leggings if you feel like. So this is a beautiful straight kurti, straight cut kurti, and the buttons which you see over here are false. Definitely these are false, but the only top one, say for like, yeah, so only top two you can open. I'll just quickly open it for you guys. But the rest of the buttons are false. So I think that these two buttons are only enough for you to wear it. This one I have ordered in the size S and it fits me perfectly. It's so stunning. It's beautiful. Now in the neckline area, it has got some thread work going all around, like all around. And it has got also in the front neckline area, it has got some beads design going. So it's beautiful. It's perfect for festive season. I think कि अगर आपका कोई भी invitation है या फिर कोई भी ethnic कोई भी कुछ occasion है, so you guys can definitely pull this off and wear some heavy jhumkas if you feel like. Now jhumkas are my personal favorites. So this is again a very beautiful and stunning kurti. You can see the length of it comes till like even below my knees. So this is definitely a very long kurti. So if your height is short, please make sure to keep all these things in account. And the sleeves are 3/4 sleeves. It does not have anything extra on the sleeves. So these are some basic sleeves. And the cutting which goes from the waist area, it's from here. So I think from the waist the cutting will begin. It's a pretty long kurti though. It's really long. It's very soft, but I think that the material is of cotton mixed with rayon. I think so. It's not particularly full cotton material, but definitely it's breathable. Definitely you can wear it during the summers as well and during the winters as well. So coming towards the next one, it is a dress. Now it is kind of a dress, like the kurta dresses which you find online these days, and it's really in trend. So this is again in one of my another favorite color. It's in the color red and it's so beautiful. It's 100% cotton. It does not have any other material mixed, rayon or synthetic or georgette or whatsoever. It's 100% cotton. It's so good, guys. I cannot even explain it to you. It's so breathable. Like, it's one of my personal favorites altogether. So this is again a beautiful dress, like beautiful. Like, look at this. It's so stunning. It's so stunning. Now this, what I felt for this one is that you can wear this one as a jacket also, because all these buttons which you see over here, you can open it. So even if you're wearing, say suppose like a tank top or a very basic color white top or a black top, and you feel like adding a jacket onto it, this is like so apt for it. You can wear it as a dress, you can wear it as a jacket. Like there are so many versatile ways in which you can pair this one up. So let's talk about the brand. So the brand is from Sangria, and I've ordered in the size S. So this is, the sleeves are not 3/4, it comes till here, so the sleeves are not really 3/4, but it has the sleeves, you can definitely check it out. It has got an additional layer of cloth, so this part becomes a bit thicker than this part. So this is how the sleeves looks like. Let's come towards the work which it has. So this particular one has got thread work all over. It has got some tassels hanging from here. Like it is one of my favorite one. I can't even explain it to you guys. So let's come towards the bottom part. So the ghair, which I must say, it's pretty wide guys. It's so wide. मतलब इतना तक तो आपका घेर आ ही जाएगा. Just look at it, the amount of clothes they have given. Like it's so stunning. Even if you have an occasion, if you have a friend's party, lunch, dinner, whatsoever, this is an absolute stunner. People will be asking you, where did you get this one from? So let's come towards the bottom part. So the bottom part, it has got, you can see it, the bottom part, it has got, this side is smaller and this side is longer. Now it has got a very different kind of a cutting. Now the cutting is really not the same. The circle is not the same. So the cutting is कि थोड़ा सा ये ऊपर नीचे है, मतलब फिश कटिंग की तरह ही है, but the cutting is a bit different. I will definitely try to show it to you guys so that you will be able to understand. If you guys will observe very carefully, you guys will able to understand the cutting is a bit high and low kind of a cutting at the bottom area. It's kind of a high, low, the thing is not the same, but it definitely adds up a really great volume. Look at the volume guys, just look at it. And the collar part also adds a very classic look to you. If it would have been a round neck, उतना ज़्यादा नहीं खुलता ये. But this collar, it adds on a different level to this particular outfit. It's absolutely a beautiful one. And from the waist area से ये घेर जा रहा है. So from the waist, it's cinched, and from the waist, it's going on like a waterfall. So I do really hope that this is my second favorite. The yellow one is my first favorite. This is my second favorite. I don't know, all of them are my favorites, I guess. So please don't forget to comment down below as to which one did you guys find it interesting. Which one is your favorite? So coming towards the last one, this is a kurti kind of a set. Now I don't think that anything is necessary to wear below this, but for add-ons you can definitely wear a white leggings to it, and I think that you're just sorted. So this is how the packaging looks like. And the most amazing part about this is you can wear this one in so many different and versatile ways. I love the outfits which we can pull off in so many different ways. It just adds on a little bit extra to your wardrobe. Now you don't have to invest in a separate jacket, you don't have to invest in a separate kurti or a separate tank top inside. It comes with along. So let's just go towards it has got two parts. ये कुर्ती है and ये jacket है. So let's just come towards the kurti. It's very plain, it's 100% cotton. It's so good guys, it's so good. मतलब ये तो गर्मियों में भी you guys will able to pull this off. Winters में obviously jacket है, you don't need to worry about winters altogether. So this one is from the brand called Libas, and this one I have ordered in the size S. Now the tags are removed because I worn it, so I will definitely mention the price on the screen as to what I paid. So this is again a very long kind of a sleeveless kurti. Now I feel that if you wear this one separately and you add on a very like white or chanderi ka ek dupatta iske upar, I feel that it will be a whole separate look all together and add on some heavy jhumkas like this one, I think that it's absolutely a stunner. So the cutting is again like this. It's almost like a triangle, a huge triangle. If you guys are able to see, please do let me know if you guys are able to understand. So the print is all over, like all over, even at the back and even in the front. This is the only print which is there. The cutting is almost like a fish cutting, if I will be able to say that. And it's almost like a huge triangle at the bottom section. So from the waist area, the triangle is beginning and till the bottom part. Now this one comes till like the ankle. So this is really long like that of the street kurta. So it comes like this and it comes like this. So imagine adding a different dupatta with it and a jhumka with it. So this is again a whole new outfit altogether. Now the cutting is almost like a V cut in the front. Now to add on with this, they have given a jacket. Now the jacket has got, since this one had some small trees, so the jacket had bigger trees, I feel like. So this is how the jacket looks like. So imagine if you're wearing this underneath, you will have to tie this one here and the ghair will be beginning from that. So the ghair is again very huge. It's so huge. You all will be able to pull this off even during a wedding function too. Yes, it's that much gorgeous. It's that much of a very beautiful color. And if you add on the right accessories, I think that even in the wedding, you will just rock it. So this one has a high-low hem. So the jacket, the flap ends over here, but the ghair is much more than that. It will remain at your back. This much part of extra ghair will remain at your back, and this is such a beautiful piece, like so beautiful. I hope that you guys will be able to understand as to what I was talking about versatility, about these kind of dresses. You can wear it in so many different ways. You can add this one as a jacket. If you're wearing black underneath, it will just look so gorgeous. Now you can pair this one as one outfit. You can pair these two as separately as two other outfits. It's so beautiful. So the sleeves are 3/4. It does not have anything extra on the sleeves, so basic. It's printed all over. It's printed all over these big trees, and at the front part you get 2 strings to tie up. So definitely a very beautiful piece. Do let me know what you guys think about this one too. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that all of you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and please don't forget to comment down below as to which outfit was your favorite. I am eagerly waiting for you guys' comments, and till then you guys can check out my other previous videos and participate in my giveaway video also. And I just wanted to put it out here that many more giveaways are coming down in the month of November, December and January. So please stay tuned for all of that, and till then stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.